Hey everybody, Mr. Bone here, and we are going to talk about next week. So let's get ready for next week. Some pre-weekend info for everybody here. And first of all, some things to know. I hope you watched the weather and you planned out your work this week, as I suggested maybe you do. This last couple of days have been kind of rainy and yucky, although today I do actually have the windows open in the house, but it is still kind of gray and yucky out. So make sure you're planning out stuff as the weather gets nicer and you're less likely to just want to sit inside. Check to see when it's going to be nice and when it's not, and work accordingly. Next, keep checking Skyward and Edgenuity to watch your pace and make sure that you are staying caught up. Now, if you have anything that is missing in Skyward, you can go back and get it done. If you're not missing anything in Skyward, you do not have to notify me every time you've finished something in Edgenuity. I'll come in probably every Monday and put in what the previous week's assignment was. So if you are not behind, you don't have to let me know every time you get something done. But if you were behind, if there's something missing in Skyward, if you have a missing or a zero from Edgenuity and you get it done, then please do email me so that I know that you've finished it and I can go back and correct it for you. There'll be some form of summer school for anyone who failed first semester. Remember, we are under all the normal rules for school up through the first semester. So if you didn't pass one of the marking periods or both of the marking periods, and you didn't pass the exam to get you passing, you'll need to think about some summer school. I will get you more information on that as I get it. So much stuff is up in the air right now. I know it's getting close to the end. I know it's getting close to time that we need to know these things. And definitely, as soon as I know those answers, I will let you know those answers for those of you who need it. Remember, only people who failed first semester need it right now. We're not sure what the classes will look like for students who don't pass second semester. So that's essentially all the Edgenuity stuff. Since second semester is third marking period only, and third marking period is everything from January 22nd on. If you don't pass this, then we have to do something as well. And I've been told that they're working on maybe a different form of summer school. I'm not sure. And it may happen at the end of the summer instead of the beginning of the summer. Again, unsure. My biggest recommendation to everybody is to go back and fix those things now so that you aren't worried about what is this other summer school going to look like. You have so much time available for you to go back and fix things that were in real school all the way up through the Edgenuity stuff. Please do that. Let's not get into a situation where we have to worry about what's in second semester summer school and what it looks like. All right. So get all that stuff done. I'm going to go down to one live meet per week. When we first started off, many people would pop in and say hi, and we had some stuff to talk about. And I think it's just getting to where people don't need it anymore. They don't need as much information. They don't really have as many things to say. We've already looked at everyone's pets and we've talked about what you're doing and what you're watching and all that. So I'm going to go down to one live meet per week instead of two. It'll be at Wednesdays at 10 o'clock or 10:30. Sorry, 10:30. And so I'll post those in Classroom as usual at like 10:25, so that you can get into the meet and hang out if you want to. If you don't want to, it's fine. You don't have to. We have some regulars that come, and I'm glad that they come. If they didn't come, we wouldn't have a meet. But if you don't want to come, you don't have to. And if whatever's going on isn't floating your boat, then you can go ahead and leave. You don't have to stay the whole time either. Remember, 3 weeks to go. That's it. June 5th is our end. So there's not a whole lot more time that we have to do this. Keep up on what you have, make up stuff as you need to. And other than that, I will see you guys. I'll probably make another video on Monday for you. See you later.